How to fix Google Images not downloading. So if you go to your Google Photos, so here you will have your Google Photos, right? So if you try to download any photo, so for example, I'll be trying to download this photo. You can choose the photo and you can just open it. And after choosing the photo, swipe upside, and here you won't have a download option. So if you're not getting a download option on your Google Photos, then what does that mean is you can remove that and you can go for your albums, like your mobile photos or your phone photos albums or anything. You will have that photo. So if you can't download a photo from your Google Photos, then it means that it has already been saved in your mobile device. So let me show you. You can open up your photos, and here you can swipe up, and here you will have delete from device. Tap on delete from device, and again tap on delete from device and allow. And after deleting this photo from your device, now you can again swipe up, and now you will have the download option. So if you already have that photo on your device, then it won't show you the download option. So now you can tap on download and your photo or your image will be downloaded. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem on your Google Photos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.